Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to verify Google Business Profile tutorial. So in case that you have submitted and did everything here, but still your account does not get verified even if you complete your business profile like adding photos and adding some details, still your account does not get verified. So what are you going to do or how are you going to get your business profile verified here on your Google? So this is my business profile. This is my business account, and I'm not yet verified yet. But if you encounter some problems after you submit everything, what you're going to do is you need to go to their Google Help Center. So you have to go to any web browser and then type Google Help Center or Google Help, and you have to look for a verify or fix a verification issue. So let's just say you have encountered some issue here when it comes to verifying your account, your photos, your information. So if you want to know more about how to verify your account, you can go to verification and then you will see here some instructions and information about how to verify your account. But if you want to fix something, you have to go back and then look for this a fix issue, or and this is what we call fixed verification issues. And then here what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and then tap this contact us. So you have to tap this one. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to enter the name of your Google account here. Tap this arrow facing down. And then here you need to say, let's just say you aren't able or unable to verify Google account, something like that. And then after you type it right here, but actually everything is up to you. For example, I'm currently facing trouble issues with my information or with my photos, something like that. You can state it right here, the reason why you can't verify your Google account. So just state it right here, tap next, and then you can select from any of this. For example, this one, even if I provided some information documents, still they did not verify my account. So you have to click this next step right here. Now, what you're going to do is you just have to follow, tap confirm, confirm till you see this reach or reaches 100%. So after you undergo this process, if there are some problems, you need to fix this first before you reach 100%. So they will let you fix it before you proceed. Now, if after doing this still you encounter some problem, then you can do the other method, and that is to post a question or problem to the community. Maybe the people in the community will help you on how to verify your account or fix the issue that you're facing. So to do that, you can go back and click contact support or scroll down here, and then you have to look for post, or let's just say community. You can search for community. So if you scroll down here, post to the community, tap this one, and then here you can post a question and wait for their answer. Also, another thing is that you can send a feedback if you want. You can tap this send a feedback right here. You know, you must be very specific with your problem, and then you can also include picture if you want, and then send them in order for them to address or help you with your concern in verifying your Google account. So if you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.